Hey people, welcome back to another
video.
Today we're going to be reacting to BTS on Ellen's show performing Airplane Part 2. So yeah, this one's exclusive apparently. I don't know how exclusive is if 2 million people already watched it in what, one day, 2 million. So this video is big. So yeah, if you're new to the channel around here, or if you're just not new and you still, you already subscribed, couple things, make sure you comment down below a video you want to see next. Yeah, also like that video.
Yeah,
but if you're new, subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
Now let's start the video.
Yeah.
I know the last time BTS was at Ellen was like 5 months ago. Hey. Boy. It's got that Spanish, but is it Spanish? That Brazilian kind of. Like a J Balvin kind of vibe. Ooh! Ooh! His voice just makes it sound so man. Hey, what's the dance? What's your dance? Choreograph. Hey! Look at that, I'm telling you, there's no males up in that crowd.
I bet there is.
No male up in that crowd.
I bet there is.
Females only. Yeah? I like how they're using the mic stand as like a little...
Oh yeah.
a prop.
Yeah.
Eh?
It's a puppet.
True. Oh yeah, what's in the back? Hey, that looks mad. Look at him in the back, just sitting there, just... Ooh.
There you go.
He knows? Oh, he knows.
Yeah.
Yeah? Where's mariachi mean again?
Oh, can't remember.
She said, I love you! What does mariachi mean again? 75, 81. Hey, look at him chill like you.
Chilled.
I'll see ya. Hey, I feel it. But yeah, long time we ain't done a video. Thank you for all the support, peoples and everything.
Thank you.
Tell us what you think about the video. You think the rhythm feel at the start felt like a
Spanish-y kind of
that
vibe,
Latino kind of vibe kind of going on.
Yep.
I like that, and the The swag's always on point, to be fair. I mean,
Yeah.
it was the same as the fake love video. Well, obviously it's the Ellen show, so it's the same time. But yeah, good video, good song, mariachi. But yeah, comment down below what video you want to see next. Comment what you think about this video.
Yeah.
Like the video and don't forget to
Subscribe.
We out.